Alright, so if we're facing this issue called Excel cannot open the file, this one because the file format or file extension is not valid. Here is the solution video for that. First of all, you need to go to the search bar and search for the Excel and open this up. Now from here you need to go with the open, and then after that you need to go and select the browse. Now simply find out the file that you want to open. So we will go with the desktop, and here is the file that is corrupting. So we'll select that file, and right beside the open button you will see the down arrow key. So we will select that one and simply go with open and repair. So select this, and sometime your problem will be solved. But for my case this is not working, so I will show you another trick that will basically work for you. So for the second method you need to go to the file explorer and simply select the three dots right upper and go with the options. Now from here you need to go with the view and untick this option, hide extension for known file types. Untick it, apply, and OK. Right after that you need to go to any of the browser that you like. Simply go with the browser and simply search for Excel file types, and then you will probably get the Microsoft support official website. And from here, as you can see, there are Excel file types, and these are the Excel file types. All right, so from here you can select one by one, copy and paste the file types into the existing file. So for my case I'm going with the first one, so I will control and paste it right over here, first file type, and go with the change it, and right after doing so we will try to open the file. So as you can see guys, we have successfully opened. So for your case it can be work with the first file type, or you can simply go through all of these to find out if this works for you or not. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and comment down below if this works for you or not, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Have a very good day.